Subscribe to Femina and press the bell icon.
Welcome to Makeup 101, a series by Femina. Here we show you easy to do makeup tutorials and celebrity looks. First, prep your face with a moisturizer and gently massage to improve blood flow. This practice flushes the skin cells with oxygen to give it a firm, radiant and younger appearance. Apply foundation and blend it evenly with a brush. I switch to a cream-based foundation for winter as it gives me an extra dose of hydration. Conceal under eye area with a concealer and blend well. Set face with a setting powder to achieve a matte effect. Use a flat sponge to gently press the setting powder into your skin. This helps your makeup stay. Brush through the brows and trace the shape of your brows carefully. Using gentle strokes, fill in your brows. Ta-da! Use a glittery peach shade to fill in the outer half of your lids. Fill in the inner half of your lids with the strawberry rush shade. Don't forget to blend the merging point of both shades to achieve a seamless color effect. Wing it with a black eyeliner. If you're not used to it, feel free to use a tape to achieve the effect. Using tape as a ruler, trace the wing and peel it away. Voila! You have a perfect wing eyeliner. Amp up the drama with mascara. Add a burst of color to your cheeks with a pink tone blush. Take your glow to the next level with heaps of bronzer. Hello definition. Hydrate your lips with lip balm. Fill in your pout with candy red color lipstick to finish your festive glam look. We hope you enjoyed today's video. Please like, share and subscribe to Femina. If you have any suggestions, please mention in the comment section below. Until next time, stay tuned and stay unstoppable.